Hey guys, today we are going to be writing composition functions, okay? So we're actually going to be finding f of g of x and g of f of x and even f of x, all right? So we're going to let f of x equal 2x squared, and we're going to let g of x equal 3x plus 2, as you see here. So 2x squared and 3x plus 2. All right. So for number 1, we have f of g of x. Okay. So that's f of g of x. What is g of x? G of x is 3x plus 2. So for f of x is 2x squared, right? So f of x is 2x squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace whatever was x with this 3x squared. Okay? Check this out. You'll get the hang of it. All right. So I have my f. So my f of 3x squared plus 2 equals 2, and then I have 3x plus 2 squared. All right. Now I'm going to have to do some FOIL here. I have 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2. All right. So that's going to be 2 times. Now we do FOIL first, outer, inner, last. So that's going to be 9x squared, outer plus 6x, inner plus 6x, last plus 4. Then I have 2 times 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. All right. And now I can do distributive property with that 2 and multiply everything in that parenthesis by 2. And then I'll get 18x squared plus 24x plus 8. So f of g of x is 18x squared plus 24x plus 8. All right. So now we're going to find g of f of x. So that's going to be g of 2x squared. This one's going to be a little bit easier, okay? So that's 3, and then replace the x with whatever f of x is equal to, which is 2x squared plus 2. Well, I just multiplied the 3 times the 2 here, and that's going to give me 6x squared plus 2. So g of f of x is 6x squared plus 2. Now, I'm going to show you what we do when you have f of x. All right, so number 3 is f of x. So that's going to be, so f of 2x squared is equal to 2 times 2x squared squared. Because all I did was I replaced the x right? I've replaced the x that was here with this 2x squared, if you see that. Okay? So let's simplify this. This is 2 times 2x squared times 2x squared, right? So let's simplify. I have 2 times 2 times 2. Well, that's 8. And then I have x squared plus 2 up here. I got the 2 plus 2 because I have an exponent of 2 and an exponent of 2. And so that leaves me 8x to the 4th power. So f of x is 8x to the 4th power.